first want to give thanks to the universe, the Most High, and nature for this day and this opportunity. Hi, I'm Ace the Vegan Baby, and welcome back to my channel. 1 second, I'm gonna turn my TV down. I'm sorry, y'all. I was watching TV. So today is going to be another vlog. I know I've been doing a lot of vlogs lately, and I've been slowing down on my cooking videos, but that is for a reason. I am weight gaining right now, and that means that I'm not cooking as much as I used to. I'm kind of on a meal plan. I will be posting that for my girls who are small and want to gain weight. I just started right now. This is what I look like. Yeah, so I'll be posting after my 1 week of weight gaining, and then I'll post every week from then. I just want to see if what I'm doing will work out before I put it, out for the public, just in case somebody wants to follow what I'm doing. But right now, I am about to get ready to go to a party. This is a Jay-Z Kanye party. So it's primarily Jay-Z and Kanye music being played. I'm prepping my nails. That will be in another video that I'm doing. I'll also explain this again in that video. So just in case you don't watch that one, I'll explain it in this one. Not only am I starting the weight gaining journey, I am starting a series called Luxury on a Budget. This is to encourage women to be that girl without spending that much money. So for instance, if you're a girl like me who has the money to spend but don't really have the time to do everything, this is how you do it. Or if you're a girl on a budget who really wants to, look your best and feel your best and decorate your home to how you want it to be, not just like it to be, but want it to be on a budget, this is how you do it. I'm gonna show you some dupe purses that you can buy if you don't have the money to get luxury items. I'm also gonna show you some luxury items that you can buy for cheap if you do have the money, but you're just trying to save. That's lashes, nails, makeup, hair, anything, clothes, how to put clothes together to look your best without spending so much money. That's everything. So that's my new series, Luxury on a Budget. It's kind of like balling on a budget, but I didn't want to call it that because this is way more than that. This is literally luxury on a budget, how to be and feel like your best self, and fake it till you make it if you ain't got it. Okay, so I'm just gonna shower first, and I'm gonna use this thing, can y'all see it? Body wash. This is the sugar snickerdoodle. I'm gonna use this to wash. I'm gonna use this body scrub, and I think I'm gonna put on this lotion with this perfume. Yeah. Okay, I gotta hurry up and get dressed because I'm late. So I'm gonna wear these pants with this shirt and these boots. I am wearing this shirt backwards because I just like how it looks like this. Oh shit, and this one is inside out. Hold up. Okay, this is the fit. I just gotta put on my earrings, lipstick, and I'm going because I'm late. I'm so late, so I gotta go. But yeah, that's what I got on. Oh my gosh, the bathroom to this venue is so freaking scary. Like, hold up, let me just show y'all because I was scared to pee. This is what the freaking bathroom looks like. And look at inside the stalls. Like, I'm freaking terrified. I don't want to pee here. I don't want to pee here. I'm scared. Like, no, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I still gotta pee so bad, and I cannot because I'm scared of the bathroom.
Yeah, I gotta
What's up, y'all? Brand new day. It's the morning time. I'm about to head out for work. I just want to make this disclaimer for this hand that I'm doing of my nails, because I know y'all just see me do my nails and it was like the last 3 weeks. This hand is done exactly like that. However, this hand is done with sticky tabs because this is my hand that I use a lot for makeup, and my eye gets really irritated, so I use this hand a lot. So these two nails in particular, I don't glue down. I use sticky tabs so I can easily pop them off and, you know, pinch my eyelashes, get in my eye, do whatever I need to do. So it's the morning time. I'm about to stick these two back on with the sticky tabs, and I'm about to head out because I got some work to do today. Yeah, I just want to update y'all because we kind of ended abruptly last night with the party and me showing y'all the bathroom, and I had to pee. But yeah, let's go. Okay. This is what I'm wearing. Excuse the slippers, but this is what I'm wearing. That's special. I'm at work. I'm in the bathroom. Got my little thing on to protect my clothes. It's not buttoned up. That's why it's loose. But I'm about to start work in a sec. I didn't put my nails on because I am working to where I would need these fingers, so it made no sense to put them on and possibly have them pop up under my gloves. So I'm just gonna keep them off. These ones are, again, really, really sturdy. They ain't going nowhere. These were under the UV light. Yeah, let's go work. All right, y'all, I'm at work. I got my hair up, got my work jacket on. It's not buttoned up yet, but I've already been here for a while. I'm about to take a break. I'm gonna take my lashes off because look, it's lifting and I can feel it as I'm out there. So bye bye lashes. And I need to wash the glue off my face before I go back, so I'm gonna do that. Hey y'all. So it is the next day after work. I was so tired when I got off. I just went right to sleep. I didn't even eat anything. But I'm up right now. It's snowing outside. It's a whole snowstorm going on right now, and I'm not here for it. It's cold and I don't like it. I feel like I look crazy. I ain't do my hair. All right, that's better. But yeah, it's snowing outside and I'm not here for it. All of my animals are sleeping. I feel like I need to take another nap too and just get up and try again. I wanted to go eat today. Didn't do that, or can't do that because it's about to be like 12 inches of snow. Like, hold up. Like, yo, it's been snowing all morning. Hey, back up. It's been snowing all morning. So yeah. I'm about to probably do some laundry, make something to eat, probably some chili or something. I'm about to lay down and watch TV, honestly. Like, I'm not about to deal with this snowstorm today. Like, I'll try everything in a couple days. Animals get up. I think this is so cute. They are all sleeping. Like, oh, wait. Where's my other baby? Oh, they're up. Hold up. Poos woke up because I got up. But look. They are all sleeping. This is so adorable. Hi, Dar. You napping, Mama? You napping, girl? You take nap, Mama? Yeah, I don't think I can move my hand now. And I promise I didn't wake them up. They get up if I walk around. If I walk past them, they're automatically gonna get up. So that's why I was trying to be quiet when I first started. Especially him, because he kind of sleeps on me. So if I get up, he's definitely getting up. But yeah, my babies were napping. It was so cute. That was an awkward angle. My babies were napping and it was so cute. And as you can see, so was I.
Late 90s Madonna.
So I'm trying this new thing with how I record, trying to be more aesthetically pleasing with my videos. I got it from Luxury Girl TikTok. I really enjoyed the way they made their videos look, the way they put them together. So I'm trying it on my YouTube first to see how I like it and then carry it over because I have a bigger following on TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it turned out really, really nice. hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a very new way of recording for me. I'm trying that for TikTok. I've seen a lot of girls do that on TikTok and I really loved it. So I wanted to try it for myself. I actually like the way that it went. I think I'm gonna do my daily vlogs like that. Without much speaking, just showing you what I did throughout the day, just like how it just was. Oh, and I burnt myself cooking the chili. Oh my goodness. It's not a bad burn. I am okay. It's just some boiling water splashed on my hands and I'm okay. So don't worry about it. I'm fine. I'm ending the vlog here. So good night, you guys.